In greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can delete a blank page in Microsoft Word, right? We're going to be looking at it in two different angles, right? Just sometimes you might have an extra blank paper, you don't really want it, and want to delete it, get rid of it, but you don't know how to do that. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process there, right? So for instance, if you notice itself, this itself is a blank word here. If you notice right here to the left, it's a 1 of 2. And if I scroll down like this, let me scroll down a bit. You notice this is a blank page down here. But in order for us to get rid of it, for step 1, notice right here, the cursor right here, and then you press the backspace. And notice it shows 1 of 1 here. That's the first step. All right, so let me put it back. All right, the second way to do it, right? What you wanted to do for the second route, you're going to come right here at View. When you click on View, you notice this itself is the navigating pane. You're going to click it. And when you click on navigating page, you notice right over here, you click on your page, you notice you show you 2 pages right here. All right, so you're going to click on one, just like that. And then after you click on this particular page here, you just press the backspace. Right? No, not the backspace, the delete rather. Very important. You notice we only have 1 page leave here. So that is very important. Here. So let me do that again. Notice you have the 2 pages right here. What I wanted to do is come right up here and click on View. Then we're going to go to the navigating pane and click here. I notice the page up here. So you click on the page that you want to get rid of, and then you press the delete. Just like that. To show that you don't have 1 page now. Right? So I hope you have learned something from that particular area. Because sometimes you might have that problem getting rid of the paper. And if this video has solved a problem, just remember to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the box. Right? And subscribe for the next video. So thanks for watching this particular video here.